Hey guys, my name is Kevin. I run a cleaning business out of Toronto, Canada. Just for reference, cleaning is an extremely competitive industry and it's pretty tough SEO wise. That being said, we are a new business, so we've been running for about 9 months now, I'd say, and we'd actually hired an SEO firm from day one. So Awkward Media is actually our third SEO firm, but like right from the bat, like right off the bat, you could tell that they were different from the rest. The other SEO firms we'd been with, 6 plus months, barely did anything, hard to get a hold of, no changes. All their reports every month just came out the same. Day one, Awkward Media, they were the only ones that actually asked for the login to my website. They completely rebuilt the website, filled it with content to optimize us on Google. And what's more impressive is because we were such a new website. Like we had literally zero online presence, like zero backlinks, zero referring domains, like all that technical stuff. None of that when we went to them, when we went to Awkward Media. And we've been working with them for 3 months now, just 3 months, and they've taken us from literally zero online presence to solidly ranking anywhere between pages 2 to 5 for over 100 keywords within my city and my operating area. So super impressive, especially considering how new the website has been. Like it's literally been up for less than a year. Yeah, and honestly, I have 100% faith that within the next 2 3 months, like we're gonna be solidly on the first page, getting a ton of traffic coming in, and it's gonna be great. But yeah, just wanted to give them a quick shout out. And yeah, if you're looking for an SEO firm, Awkward Media is the way to go.